Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. PureC Egyptian Magic Whitening Gold Shower Scrub is a powerful lightening shower gel that is excellent in restoring suppleness to your skin. This body wash prevents excess melanin production in the skin, resulting in a brighter appearance. It also clears dark spots and fades stretch marks. It makes your skin clear, youthful looking and beautiful. It contains natural ingredients that are effective in toning and removing patches from the skin. This liquid wash clears unwanted blemishes on the skin. It has been manufactured to effectively lighten, firm and improve the skin texture, leaving the skin looking graciously radiant, smoother, softer and healthier. It contains a unique signature herbal complex ingredient that helps to moisturize dry skin and evens out skin tone. How to use PureC Egyptian Magic Whitening Gold Shower Scrub. Use shower scrub twice daily to bath. It is advisable to scrub your skin with it both morning and night for best result. Use in conjunction with PureC Egyptian Magic Whitening Lotion. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.